body moving. Move, 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 got my body going.
Happy birthday, Natnat. Sana lumaki kang mabait at makinig kay Mami. Study hard. We're here to support you always. Love you.
All twisted, got me spinning, got me spinning, got me.
Sana sa kanyang paglaki, magiging mabait, malusog, at basta wish ko lang sa kanya talaga na magiging mabait.
I got happy feet, I got happy feet. Woo, 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 woo. Ain't no stopping me, got me feeling free. Woo, woo.
Happy birthday, Natnat. Sana palagi kang hindi nakakasakit. Sana pakabait ka habang papalaki ka. Happy birthday.
I got happy feet. Woo, 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 woo. Burn, burn, burn.
Birthday, Natnat! Happy birthday, Natnat! Sana lumaki kang may takot sa Diyos, tsaka sundin mo lagi yung magulang mo.
Happy birthday, Natnat. Sana lumaki kang may takot din sa Diyos.
Happy birthday, Nat! Sana lumaki kang may takot sa Diyos.
Got a good thing, got a good thing. It's a real thing, it's a real thing. Jump, jump, got me jumping for joy. Got me up off my seat, jumping to the beat.
Happy birthday, Natnat! Sana lumaki kang masunurin kay Mami at Daddy and always stay pogi. We love you! Happy birthday, Natnat! We love you!
I can't stop now.
Happy birthday, Natnat. Sana lumaki kang successful kagaya ng iyong mga ninang at ninang, and we're always here for you.
I'ma go get a go.
Message ko sa'yo is for you to be strong and sumusunod ka lagi sa parents mo, ganyan, kay mami, kay daddy. To follow lang kung anong gusto mo. May freedom ka lang lagi. Hindi ka namin pipigilan na kung anong gusto mo.
I got happy feet. I got happy feet.
Happy birthday, Natnat. Sana lumaki kang maayos at pagagaya sa tita.
Happy birthday, Natnat. Sana be happy ka lang. Lagi. Pati paglaki mo, huwag masyadong iyakin. Huwag kang tutulad sa tatay mo, ha? Okay?
Ako sa tita.
I got happy feet. I got happy feet.
Happy birthday, love. Sana lumaki kang mabait and masunurin sa parents. Huwag ka sanang pasaway. And I'm going to support you all the way. So, andito lang si Mami palagi para sa'yo and si Daddy. I love you.
I got happy feet.